Think you're running out of steam before the A-levels? Let's turn it around. The final sprint to the A-level exams is here and the pressure is on. Training alone can be overwhelming, just like an athlete running solo on the track. But you don't have to do it alone. Join the Endgame JC2GP crash course and turn that solitary grind into a team effort with structured guidance.
Our job here is not just to expose you to the variety of questions for every single school prelim paper for 2023, not just for essay. Our main focus is what? Expose you to the various kinds of Viper CJ questions, but more importantly, the second half of it, we're going to have ample practice.
Without proper direction, you might end up reinforcing bad habits. Our no-nonsense approach, conducted by an experienced team of GP tutors, keeps you on the right track. Guessing your study plan? But that's a risky approach. Come, lean on our strategic plan.
So as I'm running through and I'm giving you a couple of tips or advice as to how you should approach a particular complexity, right? I want you to make notes, highlight certain points within your booklet that you find useful, and that will make the class more engaging.
We've analysed potential exam questions like a coach that tailors to you the best, right, of our training regimen.
I would like to run through with you the various trends. So this will be a trend lecture, a trend dissection. More importantly, you'll see on the right-hand side of the handout, right, there are lines. That's where you're able to jot down some of the ideas and trends which I am going to go through.
Cramming at the last minute is like learning and trying to learn a new technique right before a race, which is ineffective and stressful.
Our lesson will focus on not just topics, but also subtopics. We're going to move from the broadest all the way to the narrowest, and we are going to cover a whole variety of polarities and issues over here.
Instead, engaged in focused lectures, small group discussions, and receive continuous feedback.
Allocation of groups. Ready? Okay, tradition, You guys tradition? You guys are team museums. Okay, so write down your topic sentences, okay? And then I'll ask you for your answer. Go!
The end game provides steady progress and effective learning.
So you sort of see this as an up-to-date cheat sheet, not just for paper 2, but for paper 1 as well. And I'm going to show you how you use these important examples. Alright, we're going to get ample practice, thoroughly using all the various components that we have taught you.
Cross that finishing line with confidence. Join the end game to ensure you're fully prepared and confident for your A-levels. Achieve success with structured guidance and strategic insights.